Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. This one is a crimson red. Under the hood is a 6.2 V8 pushing out 420 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch chrome multi-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. A cocoa leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a bed cover, trailer hitch, Sierra GMC Denali badging. Open up the tailgate here, we've got a fresh set of clean floor mats, plenty of space in back here. Coming up front, this one does come with a blind spot assist, and when you open up the door, the step pops in and out automatically. Memory seats, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Start it up. We've got navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats. We've got our USB ports, power outlets, cup holders, a wireless charging station. This vehicle has 29,833 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmannimports.com.